Yes, so my position should be in the middle, you know, this
No.
radio button. It's not my side. It's half of the car.
But have a look. What it says on top of it? Normal
There's
road position.
1 meter from the curve, depend on the width of the road or the center of the land. Center of the land we have to drive.
So at the moment we're gonna do meter away from the curve, and this will be your, if you look this one here,
Yeah, and
NRP, normal road positioning.
Yeah.
So meter away from this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move the car,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm gonna see the same curve on the left hand side. As I move the car, it's gonna go more close to the pillar then. And see the center line there.
Yeah, center line there. Yeah.
So center line also, you can see where the center line will fall for you.
Yeah, normally it fall like at that time middle.
Maybe we'll see.
Yeah, they show like this, but we have to drive meter away from the curve.
Motor from the curve, right? Fine. I'm gonna put this one. Keep that in your hand. I'm gonna put this one in the back seat. I'm gonna move the car from here, and when it's safe, I'm gonna stop the car and ask you where do you think the edge of the curve fall for you. So I'm moving off from here.
Yeah, moving off and ready.
And
Check the 6 point.
now you focus on your reference point, please. Yeah. Now have a look now. Nothing behind us.
Yeah.
And if you open the door for me and see, do you have meter away from the curve?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Where the curve fall for you now?
Yes, the same. There's a meter, you know.
Yeah. So where the curve fall for you now? Nothing behind us. I'm gonna hold back here.
It's a 1 meter away.
And the car is coming. I'm moving now to the left side. Yeah. I'm coming back to your parked position now. You tell me your parked position is there or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it's alright.
So you're roughly 6 to 8 inches away from the.
Yes.
Fine. So I'm gonna move. There's nothing around me. I'm gonna move back to the 1 meter away from the curve now, and you can see where the center line fall for you and where this curve fall for you.
Yeah, it's a meter away from the curve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Good. Yeah. You
To
got-
the traffic, we always try to drive on a meter away from the curve, so don't come closer to the curve.
I'll come on that one. Don't worry. Yeah. Parked position, okay? Reference point in the front.
Yeah.
Okay. When there's a park card on the left hand side, we use the same reference point as from the curve. We go with the tires of the line as a curve. We go meter away from
A
it.
meter away. At the moment, we consider the tires as a curve.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we go meter away from the.
Meter away from the. If in case anybody opens suddenly door, at least we are a meter away, not hit the
Exactly.
door.
Well done. Good. So we are safe gap from the park
Yeah.
cars. Fine. If you look the bottom picture now, what they're telling you, what they're explaining from the bottom picture now.
It's showing like when we drive a meter away,